I think Daniel has anime character hair. He's like Goku or something. I don't know, you keep hiding it in places and we can't find it. Alex looks like an explorer right now. He had his leg up all Captain Morgan style. Hello. Good morning.
I put some pieces in here for me. I got my own water. Now I'm gonna drink.
Do you want to get in your car, Alex?
No. Then I'm gonna put it inside. I'm gonna dump this all out and pretend it's the trash. He's over there.
There was a bunny rabbit in the trees and he just ran away. Where did he go? Oh, it's very muddy. But that's okay.
But it's okay because we can put our shoes back.
Yeah, we can clean our shoes. Crocs are really easy to clean.
How do you clean them?
Oh, you just put them in water. Hello, bunny rabbit.
He's looking for food.
He's watching us. He's like, what are they doing? He's a little afraid of us, I bet.
Why?
Because bunnies don't know what humans are going to do.
Yes, go up there.
He's going to run away. Is that okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, let's go. Bunnies are part of nature, so we have to be nice to nature, okay? But we can go up there.
But I'm gonna rub him.
You want to pet him?
Yeah.
He's going to run away first, but you can try.
Grass over there.
Yeah, there's, that's a different kind of grass. I don't know. It looks like moss or something to me. Feels so good to get outside. You stopped? Good job. Run back to me.
But
Run back to me.
he's on a super burner.
Okay, now keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, watch out though. When there's cars and stuff, you gotta wait for Dada, okay?
Now you can do it.
Faster, faster, burners! Okay, but
Dad, you go so nice.
yep. Yeah, but make sure you stop before the end of the street, okay?
Look at this all cleaned up.
Where did all the toys go?
I picked them up,
Where'd you put them?
up and shelf and some over there.
Wow, it looks great in here.
I did this.
How did you do? Like what?
I picked up them.
The owl's back. The owl's back. The owl's back.
What?
He's right there. He's in the tree. The owl. He's closer than he's ever. Yeah, it's definitely an owl.
It's definitely no. Wow.
Oh my God, he's beautiful, or she's beautiful.
Left this over Where?
He wants the camera. Okay.
Is he about to take off?
Huh?
Tengo un pellejito aquí.
Like outside? Like you were just running down the street and you put on the burners.
Like Mama gave you a tickle.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. I fill my cup and take a sip. Oh no, the cup, it starts to tip.
Bigger.
I cannot go to bed just yet. The water.
Alright, go brush your teeth.
I don't want to. I want you to put the camera back.
10 seconds. Okay.
How much is this?